it's me, Cara, here, and I'm going to be showing you if anybody wants to play on iPad or phone. I'll show you how to build and shoot. Oh, hi Lou. I'm doing a YouTube video. Okay, so build. I'm making a YouTube video. So I'll build all your guns. So I've got this, a scar. And then we've got a sniper what could see far away. This is a bush what could see quite far but not too far. And then we've got a shotgun what shoots out multiple. This is like that. And then this one is two. And then got this one. And the grappler as well. This will just help you to grapple about. And then, so yeah, so I'll be showing you how I like to build. I'm not that best at building, to be honest. Sometimes I do mess up. Okay, so it's fine if you mess up. So I'll go back to the bottom. And get rid of this. So if you're going to be fighting with somebody, you'll normally go into a corner by yourself. So this is how I like to build. It just takes me a wee bit. I don't know how to edit these, so I always just destroy them and then jump up. I just keep going, and also you can make like a base, sky base. So yeah, sometimes I like to move on to these and then do it from here. Or I just keep going around. So to build, you'll be, so when you're into your guns. Oh. Yeah, give me a second. Okay. Yes, you.
YouTube
live. So to get into build, there'll be a little button right here with the hammer and whatever that is, wrench or something. And you click into that and you've got all of your options. Now either wood, brick or steel. I normally use wood or brick. Steel is the best for when you're like and with a lot of people, so it's harder to shoot down. And then yeah, so I normally go with one of these. And then to choose your build, so there'll be this down here, a wall, a floor. So this is the floor, this is the wall, this is the pyramid, and this is the stairs. So that's all of the stuff. And then to edit, you'll want to click onto this, face that, and then you could edit however you like that. Even just make a door. Hold on, just give me a second. This sometimes takes long. So even like a door, or if you want, you could have it like that, so it's like a half door, or like that. And you do it there or there. And then you can also do windows like that, or like that. I'm not sure if you could do them up top though. Yeah, you can, or down bottom. Okay, so yeah, there is much more edits. So you could edit this. Oops, sorry. You can edit this to be like that, oops, something, or that, or nothing, but it'll just stay to that. So yeah, that's how you build. And then if I did have anybody else with me, I would have shown you how to shoot and stuff. And aim. Oh yeah, aim is, so aim's this button right up here. So there's going to be a button right there that has like a circle and a cross and another little small cross. and you'll aim in with it, and then say something was down there with it went boom, 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 and then to this, you'll reload. This one takes forever to reload, and then you'll go to say something right there. And this is the best for when people are far, you can just get them, and then this one, like that. Sure. Wait, can you not join the now? Do you want me to end game? So I'm gonna end the game so my friend can come on and I can show you how to shoot and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna end the game so he can join. Since I myself will also see victim, and I know on a return to Island when your friend's just about to join. So yeah, I'm gonna check my brightness. Okay, so the game started now, that's good. So we're gonna get our guns first, so I'm going for the same guns what I had last time. All of the guns what I showed you how to use. And we'll get a scar. What other gun did I have? I'm missing a gun. Oh, it's attack. Where did it go? Tactical. Okay, so I'm gonna put them in order. This is how I like my guns to be in order. So yeah. So we'll first build up. So I could get them. So I'll build up. Are you joking me? Okay, he just knocked down my builds. Okay, so I'm gonna... Stop! I thought I'm killing you, not you kill me. Okay, so we're gonna go up. Right, okay, that's it. Just give me a moment, please. Okay, I'm gonna go get some heals so I can heal. So I'm gonna get rid of that and get some chug jugs or chug splashes. Sorry. Stop trying to bumble me. Where are you? Yeah, wee bum. I'm not the best. Okay, sometimes I am pretty good like that. Okay, so I'm going to hide from him because he is pretty good at this game. And I'm gonna just keep on going up. Oh god. Now this is when I mess up a bunch. Okay, that. Okay, I'm just gonna chill up here for a wee bit. And then, yeah. So, this is where I like to hide sometimes. He can never do that. Haha. 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 Oh, come on. That's the hard part. When people just throw you when you're hiding.
Oh, say something. Say something. Just say what that's the end of the video.
And that's the end of the video. So yeah. I didn't really get killed anybody, but that's fine.